this is MastGates.com, Tom Luque speaking. This is an installation of an externally hinged gate onto a Dwyer mast 368, which is also used on the Sage 17 sailboat. I'll be using a pencil. I have 3 drill bits, a 16th inch for a pilot hole, a finishing up drill of 11/64, and a larger drill bit for just reaming the edges to clean off the burrs. 2 plastic pins for holding the shock cord on the gate, and this is for a round type track that we see in this type of mast configuration, the flat facing. And what we do is, when you get your gate, you just center it over the part of the mast. If you're right-handed, most likely you'll put it on your right side of the mast. Take a pencil to mark where the edge of the gate is, and just run a line down, and then where the round part of the gate is, about a 1/4 of an inch beyond that point, that's the intersection where we want to drill our hole. So we come straight down about a 1/4 inch farther and measure it. These gates are the easiest to go in because you don't need accuracy. If you want more accuracy, you can use a ruler and just accurately measure down to get the same distance, or you can look at the striations in the aluminum and get your mark. It looks like I pretty much nailed it. Using a pin punch, I mark my drilling area. Take my pilot bit, load it into my battery operated drill. Applying pressure and releasing it helps make the burrs a little shorter when you're cutting. I'll switch in the other drill bit, 11/64. Use the larger drill bit to just take the sharp edges off the outside. Take our gate, slide the shock cord into the holes. Take our plastic pins, push it in, and that's it. Gate close, gate open. That's all it is. If you want extra tension or more springiness on your gate, when you put the cord in, just put it in a little short and put the tab in, then pull the line tight at the other end, put the cord in, and then it'll even snug up your line to a more trim, snapping fit. Thank you for watching.